Hey guys, Technomentary with an exciting video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing an iPhone 8 Plus that we bought from eBay a few days ago and finally came in. This is an updated video that you guys been asking for, cheaper iPhones that you can get from eBay or Amazon, which used to do in the past, and we're starting to do another new series on these phones. So if you like these kind of content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. So in this video, it's iPhone 8 Plus. Now the 8 Plus is almost close to 6-year-old phone, but still a decent device for someone looking for that classic 5.5-inch display with a bigger body and a good sized battery. So we're going to go ahead and unbox, show you guys how the phone is. Also share the link in the description section if you guys are interested in checking this phone out. And also we're going to be doing kind of some of the tips and tricks if you are going to buy phones from eBay or on Amazon, what to look out for, and also gonna give you the rundown as well. So let's see what we got in here. So here I'm just opening it from the bottom, as you can see here, the 8 Plus again. So this is the black 8 Plus, I believe, and then there's some paperwork in there and bubble wrap. So a bunch of bubble wrap here. So this one, they didn't include any power adapter or charger cable, so that's something else you're gonna buy. So this one, the price for this one was $119, I believe, plus taxes for us, so around $125 for this iPhone 8 Plus, which again, when it originally came out, like $700-800 close to, but now this almost 1/10 the price that you're going to be paying. So here, as you can see here, we're going to take a look at it. It is a used phone, so as you see here, there's light scratches that you'll probably notice here. These does have two dual camera here. The bezel's around edge here doesn't have any damage or anything like that. The front screen here, I don't know if you can see, there's no cracks or anything like that, no deep scratch or anything like that. There is light scratching on it, but you can't really see until you put on the light. I'm going to try to power it on. Hopefully it turns on here for us. So it looks like it is powering on. Sometimes when you buy devices from eBay or Amazon, they might be in storage and might not power on right away, so you need to make sure you charge it. So a couple other things is whenever you're buying from eBay, make sure the seller has a lot of good rating. At least I would say a couple hundred, if not a couple thousands. And also make sure you read the description thoroughly. Here, as you can see here, this one's already been factory reset, so I'm going to have to go ahead and set it up here. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. This looks like it might be running an older version of the iOS. I'm just going to put my Wi-Fi password here so I can activate this device, because you need to get internet to activate the device. Like I was saying, a couple things to look out for. Make sure you look at the sellers, read the description, make sure the phone is compatible for your carrier. A lot of times people buy phones that aren't compatible for their carrier. Generally, you want to get unlocked one. This is unlocked version, or for your carrier that you have, because you don't want to try to put the SIM card in and find out it doesn't work for you. Also, look to see that they have at least a 30-day return policy. Anytime I buy from eBay especially, I want to make sure that's the case, because if there's any issue going on, I want to check that out, that I can return the phone, which eBay is really good when it comes to that kind of stuff, just in case I don't like the phone or it doesn't meet my expectation. So that's something to do. As you can see here, I'm skipping through most of this because these are kind of like simple setup stuff which we discussed in other video if you guys want to check that out. But of course, when you set it up, make sure you go through all of this, set up your Apple ID and all of that to make sure it works. So as you can see here, we got to the home screen. This background reminds me it's an older version of iOS, which I'll check out here. In general, setting general about, and I am right here. This is running iOS 11, so we'll need to update the software, which right now the iPhone 8 Plus and the 8 does support iOS 16, which is the latest version here. It's saying that I need to connect to power and Wi-Fi to kind of download and install this, but this does support iOS 16, which is a good thing, because this phone will still be good for another at least 1 to 2 years if you're looking for backup phone or a cheaper phone but still get pretty much all the features and functionality of the phone. After you get the phone, a couple other things you want to check out is things like camera, right? You want to make sure the camera is working, front, back, all of this working. You want to make sure the speakers are working by playing stuff, make sure the buttons are working. All of these functionality tests, which we discussed in another video, if you guys want to check that out, so you can check everything out from the touch to charging to speakers here, all the sensors and such. But the main point of this video for you guys is that we're doing more updated videos so you can see how much the prices come down for iPhone, especially in the used market, and especially if you're getting from eBay or Amazon, which again, the iPhone 8 Plus, again, it's not the latest and the greatest, but it still gets a lot of the job done if you're looking for basic phone that does your calling, texting, your iMessage, your FaceTime, which again, the Apple ecosystem, which pretty much is compatible with any of their devices as long as they run the latest version of iOS. Even if it's a couple year older phone with a couple generation older iOS, it'll still do all that for you. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button and let us know which video we should do for the next phone from eBay or Amazon, and see you guys next time.